guys, good morning. Today I will show you Unilever Company merch, hands, facial foam, cream, and scrub.
Requesting SA Alfred 10 please. SA Alfred 10 please.
Meron tayong pants, tone up to, inspired by tone up milk foam, enriched vitamin with vitamin C 40x, 100 grams. Next, meron din tayong pants, Insecure Japan, White Beauty, Spotless Glow, Facial Foam. $50. Next, meron din tayong pants, White Beauty, Super Cream, 7 grams. Deliver po yan.
Sarado na to?
Next, meron din tayong pants, Bright, Serum Burst Cream, 7 grams. Deliver po yan. Next, meron din tayong pants, White Beauty, Super Cream, Detox, 7 grams. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores, any grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong pants, White Beauty, Super Cream, 7 grams. Unilever po yan. Super Cream. Next, meron din tayong pants, White Beauty, Super Cream Detox, 7 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong pants, Bright Vitamins Potent Hydrate Serum Day Cream, 7 grams. Unilever po yan. And next, meron din tayong pants, Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Cream for Slightly Bright Skin Milk Essence. Unilever po yan. 6 grams. Available po 6 grams. Oh. Next, meron din tayong pants, Age Defiance. Unilever po yan. 10 ml. Next, meron din tayong pants, Acne Clear, Anti-Acne Facial Foam, 10 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong pants, Clear Solution, Antibacterial Oil Control Facial Scrub, 10 grams. Unilever po yan. Pants, facial creams, and foam, and scrub. Sachet po to. Yung video na to. Next, meron din yung pants, White Beauty, Spotless Glow, facial foam. Unilever po yan. 10 grams.
Requesting only needle and closing
And
employees
last,
to zero, please.
meron din
Only
tayong
needle and closing
Pans Bright
employees to zero,
Serum
please.
Facial Foam. Available for 10 grams. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch, Pans, Facial Foam, Cream, and Scrub. Sachet. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.